To create an investment account for someone under 18, alternative platforms must be considered, as some financial services do not currently offer custodial accounts for minors. Options include Charles Schwab, which offers a custodial account allowing adults to manage investments on behalf of minors until they reach the age of majority. Another option is Fidelity, which provides custodial accounts with a range of investment options and educational resources tailored for young investors. Additionally, E*TRADE offers custodial accounts with no annual fees and a variety of investment choices, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. To open a custodial account, research and compare features, fees, and investment options to determine the best fit for your needs. Gather required information, including social security numbers and contact details, for both the custodial account and the minor. Then, complete the application by visiting the chosen brokerage firm's website or branch to fill out the custodial account application, providing all necessary information. Once the account is open, deposit funds to begin trading on behalf of the minor, and choose investment options based on the minor's financial goals and risk tolerance. By exploring these alternatives, it is possible to establish a custodial account to invest in a minor's future, even if some financial services do not currently offer this service.